This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Productive behavior is employee behavior that enhances the achievement of organizational goals. This behavior is always positive because an organization has expectations and targets to be achieved and accomplished within a given period. It takes time for an employee to transition within an organization before he or she can engage in productive behavior. For productive behavior to be fully attainable, employees are supposed to be fully aware of the organization's culture. Regarding financial issues, productive behavior is where returns on investments on an employee are achieved. Every organization wants to move forward based on different aspects, and it always relies on employees to accomplish this, which begs for good behavior that complements the organization's goals and objectives well. Most organizations focus on productive behavior rather than task performance because it accounts for more positive results and productivity. There are different forms of productive behavior that every organization will always wish for because of the ever-competitive business environment. Counterproductive behavior can be described as employee behavior that is always against the organization's wishes regarding goals and objectives. In this case, it should be known that counterproductive behavior can be either intentional or unintentional. This implies that underlying causes might always lead to counterproductive behavior among employees, which should be understood for long-term sustainability. Different motivations and a wide range of underlying causes that encourage employees to be counterproductive might be found in any organization, which limits productivity because no organization wants to be found in such a situation. As far as productivity is concerned, different aspects can be used to explain various counterproductive behaviors that an organization might face as time goes by. A person-by-environment interaction has been proposed as one of the ways by which counterproductive behavior can be understood and explained. Counterproductive behavior within an organization is very costly, so employees should be supervised effectively for long-term sustainability. Productive and counterproductive behaviors and job performance. There is a significant relationship between counterproductive and productive behavior within an organization. This is as far as job performance is concerned because it impacts productivity, which is always critical for achieving organizational goals. It should be known that behavior is a significant factor in any organization and even in employees. In this case, counterproductive behavior can cost an organization time and money. This behavior within an organization has different impacts. While counterproductive behavior can cost the organization negatively, productive behavior can help the organization positively. In such circumstances, counterproductive behavior will always be a root issue in every organization and society as a whole. Job performance, which has an impact on productivity, is always determined by either productive or counterproductive behavior. This is because when employees engage in productive behavior, an organization will be able to achieve its goals and objectives without any problems, while counterproductive behavior limits such aspects. Business ethics are always crucial in every organization and relate well to productive and counterproductive behavior. This is as far as every level of the organization is concerned because the behavior of employees will always be an essential factor when it comes to success and growth. For long-term sustainability within an organization, there should be negative and positive reinforcements that will ultimately influence the behavior of employees as time goes by. No organization would be happy to discontinue its business, and that is why inefficient and non-productive behavior should not be encouraged. This essay on productive and counterproductive work behavior was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for.